Hello, 6th grade. Your assignment for the week is to write me a letter in letter format about how things have been going the last week on your short break. So, to do this, we're going to use Google Docs. On your iPad, you should have an icon like this. If you do not, go ahead and try downloading it or go to google.com, sign in with your school email, access it that way. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to open Google Docs. We are going to create a blank document. So go ahead and click your blank. So for those of you, the half of you I worked with on Word, we're going to start by formatting pretty similar. The other half I did not. This will all be new. So start by going to File, Page Setup. We're going to start with a 2-inch top margin, then leave the rest as 1. We're also going to go to our format, line spacing, and change it from this 1.15 to single. And that's it. First thing you're going to do is type the date. So we have March 30th, 2020. You're going to enter, and I'm going to put little stars in. However, you do not have to do that. So let's go 1, 2, 3. And then on the 4th, you're going to type my name, followed by address, okay, enter, enter. This one we're going to do a subject line. So we do the subject line in all caps, and why don't we call it okay, enter again, enter again. So we leave a few or one single space between. We'll go Dear Mr. Hospite, enter, and then you'll start your first paragraph, which will be introductory. This could be 2 sentences long, followed by a second paragraph of roughly 3 sentences, and then a 4th paragraph, which will be a closing paragraph. So what I've done is I've already created one here, so I'm going to flip to that so you can see kind of the structure. So I'll also post this letter in the assignments, but as a image. Okay, so you won't be able to bring this up and alter it. Simply look at the structure. So I have here, this is student X, so whatever your name is, and I am writing you from home. I hope all is going well and would like to tell you all the things I have been up to on my COVID-19 break. Since being home, so this next paragraph is about what I've been up to these last 4 or 5 days. So I've undertaken a full-time parent role to my 3 kids. I have a 7-year-old who is in 2nd grade, 4-year-old twins, all boys. So we have been busy cleaning, prepping for online classes, and playing outside. In addition, we've also been working on homework, so my 7-year-old does not forget all that he has done in school this year. The 3rd paragraph is a closing. So the 3rd paragraph, you can have something very similar to what I have here. So I look forward to hearing from you and hope all is going well. If you need assistance, please reach out through Google Classroom or email me, and then I have my email address. After that, you'll go enter once, and then on your second enter, type sincerely. Type enter 4 more times, so you'll end up with 3 blank spaces, and follow that up with your name. And then in this space here, I have my title. What I would like is your homeroom name. Okay, this way I can helps me categorize them as need be. So that's it. That is your assignment for the week. I hope all is going well. And again, just like I have in here, if you need help, reach out through Google Classroom, send me an email. I will do my best to get back to you ASAP. But until then, have a good week, and I look forward to hearing from you guys and reading your letters.